Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'll show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. Now, here's the most important thing you need to know, the big secret. You don't actually install fonts into Photoshop. You install them directly onto your computer's operating system, and Photoshop automatically finds them. Let me show you how it works. First things first, you need to find a website to get the fonts from. Google Fonts is probably one of the best places to start, because every font there is completely free for both personal and commercial use. Let's take this Poppins font for example. As you can see, if I open Photoshop, I don't currently have this font available. Now let's go back to Google Fonts. I'm going to select Get Font, and then Download. Once the font is downloaded, open the zip file. You should see something like this. I'm going to select just the regular version, double click it, and hit download. Once the font has installed, if you go back to Photoshop, you can see that it's automatically recognized and it's already there. It's as simple as that. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.